Students of class 8, I have come up with a very short video today, only one slide here. So we will be getting to know about how he behaved on the bus. I would say that the driver's impatience gives him a certain amount of pleasure. Then when he annoys the driver, he gets pleasure. Then he pays with the largest possible number of small coins, which he delivers a few at the time in varying amounts and at irregular intervals. So from time to time, he will be giving at irregular intervals, he will be giving the coin to make things difficult for the driver because he is driving and he has to pay attention uh, to the things moving there in the on the road. So at such a time, he annoys him with those coins. For some reason, this disturbs the passengers getting on or off. Now the passengers are also disturbed while getting on and off, and having to drive the bus itself is forced to uh, perform all perform complicated arithmetic. Now the driver finds it difficult to actually make people get on or off the bus, and he has to drive the bus also, and is forced to perform complicated arithmetic. So he had to count all those coins. Luke aggravates the problem. He increases the problem by including in his payment an old Paraguayan coin that he keeps for the purpose and of which is invariably returned to him. And ultimately, it is returned to him, that Paraguayan coin. So all this he does with the sole motive of making things difficult for the driver. This way, mistakes are usually made in the account and then argument ensues. Now, when so many coins will be given, then it is possible that there will be some mistakes, and then a quarrel would break out, and the argument ensues. Then so contradictory that it is impossible to understand what point he is actually trying to make, and it is always and employing arguments so contradictory. The arguments put forward is so contradictory that it is impossible to understand what point he is actually trying to make, what he tries to say, what he tries to prove. It is difficult to find out. So finally, the driver chooses to throw out the coins, perhaps as a means of repressing his wish to throw out Luke or indeed himself. Now, the driver feels or becomes so angry that he wants to throw Luke out of the bus or himself out of the bus, but he could not do either of these. So he threw, used to throw those coins out of the bus. So this is how he tried to